You like my car, Dolly?
Yeah.
Her name's Dolly. That's all I got. Welcome back to the Flippin Automotive YouTube channel. Bad ideas brought to you by me. Something like that. This is what we got going on today. We gotta get that arm back on here. My jack is dead. I use four-wheeler. And, well, we'll see. Hopefully I don't end up with like a car dolly through the neck. So, hello, Jack. I was trying to get the wheel off the ground because we have a little bit of rust down here we got to fix. Scary thing is, we've already used this thing once without this stabilizer. It is sketchy. So this is what we're going to use for some of the rust holes, or what we're primarily going to use for the rust holes on the dolly, but we got to get the bolt, nut and bolt off, so I have faith, because I don't want to touch any of that. Maybe I shouldn't go for the breaker bar. Oh, there she goes. Yep. Ow, there's my fingers. It is hot. Do not touch. It is hot. Do not touch. It is hot. It is hot. That's a nut. Check. Ah! I'm good. Got the bar. I got the bar, but I need to know how big that bolt is so I can drill the hole through the plate, but it's currently too hot to hold. I'm also not sure if I have a drill bit that big. That's as big as we got, so we'll let lithium grease work as drill bit lubricant. Yeah. I've used worse. Oh, now look what you made me go and do. Gotta lower the stand. Something's better than nothing. Oh. All our RPMs for this. Alright. Been the next day. I had to go get a regulator for the welder. But I think I got that. I got the grinder hooked up. We'll fight with that here in a minute. I just got everything swapped over to the argon setup versus the flux. So I have to get down here, grind some of that rust off so we have a good spot to weld to. I did find some etch prime actually too, so yeah. I hope the welder works. This is gonna suck. Oh no. We'll start with this. I found more damages. Like that. It's not good. Okay.
Small gloves, like the rubber surgical looking ones.
Okay.
They still didn't fit me.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
I didn't realize my hands were that small.
You're a non-existent human.
I do exist.
Ish.
I'm just extremely small.
And small quantities.
But I did remember to get something sort of pant-like, and then long sleeves.
Okay. Wear these instead. These are safer. Okay. As bad as that is, I don't want the rubber to burn on you, just in case.
That's fair. There's this where's the thumb?
So out of everything out here, welding's the one thing you actually like.
Yes.
Even though it's hot, nasty.
Yep. It's cool. I like the sparks and all.
Okay, what else do you like it besides the sparks?
I like how, well, it's just amazing how we can just, like, do that in an instant. It's cool.
Do what in an instant?
I don't know if these will fit.
Hey, it's the best bet you got.
I know. Let's see, can I wrap them all the way around? No. That would have been best. There. They're a little loose. They can't fully come off.
That's fine.
But I also I like how you can just take a piece of pole and another piece of pole and put them together. And then you have and I like
You like creating things.
Yes.
You like fabricating and building stuff.
Yes, but I don't like using glue because it's too sticky and then it gets everywhere and then I just pick at it and then it doesn't last. But this lasts forever and you can't really mess up.
Well, kinda ish. What you're doing, I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. Yeah, there's a bar there. Well, I've seen adults do worse.
Nice.
That's kind of actually funny. I would go. There's a little bit of heat on the backside.
This is a big helmet.
I would say do a line down both sides of that one and go slower.
Okay.
Not terrible though, considering you've welded once before.
Yeah, once. Oh, okay, got it.
There's no way you're done. You didn't do that slow enough. You're supposed to try to make them like continuous. Okay, so look over here, Penny. Whenever you look at the backside, you see how I welded up there and it's nice and dark? Yeah. Or I mean where it burned the paint off? Yeah. And you see how you just started to burn the paint off?
Oh.
You need to go slower. You should be the tip of this, like you should be closer than that, or right about between that distance and a little bit closer when you're welding. Because whenever you're welding, gas comes out of the end here and it protects your weld, and it actually makes your welds look better too.
Oh.
And cleaner and less poppy.
I didn't.
So you're kind of hurting yourself and you're not. You hear how it goes in this place? Right there. Right? Okay, let go. Did you hear how it went nice and steady there?
Yeah, and look, it doesn't look like a crazy blob either.
No, and also look at the difference.
Oh, I welded good.
But did you hear when it went nice and steady and just went like a nice steady crackle?
Like a
like that. That's what you would like your welds to sound like whenever you're actually welding.
Okay.
You'll get a little bit of pops and stuff whenever you have like a dirty welder or some paint or something on it, but that's okay. You just kind of.
That was cool.
So that kind of gives you an idea of what you're trying to make your welds. I don't know if this is going to show or not. I swear. Yeah, they're not going to show. I can weld. It should be mildly safer. Counterclockwise is closed?
Yeah. Clockwise is open.
So
Wait,
why are you
it
turning it clockwise then?
Sorry, my brain got to that.
It's that whole righty-tighty, lefty-loosey?
Yeah, clockwise is closed, counterclockwise is open. Why are you trusting me with this?
Because I guess I didn't really answer your question, but because I'm doing other stuff right now. That thing timer used to be green. What?
Don't
Yeah, it's called torque. Are you okay? Sparks?
Yeah, on my butt.
You like my car, Dolly?
Yeah.
Her name's Dolly.